Windows 11 just got smarter. With the new 24H2 update, you can connect your Android phone directly from the Start menu using the Phone Link app. Let me show you how to set it up and unlock all features. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. On your Windows 11 laptop, just go ahead and search for Phone Link app. In your phone link app, please sign in with your email account. I'm already signed in with my Microsoft email account, so I've already created a video for connecting an iPhone to this phone link app. But in this video, as we are doing it for Android, let's go ahead and select Android. Now here it's showing the QR code, and the second option is continue without a QR code. The QR code will get expired in 10 minutes. On your Android phone, just go ahead and open Play Store and search for link to Windows app. Just go ahead and install it. Okay, once you have installed link to Windows app on your Android phone, let's go ahead and open it. Now here we have two options, sign in, and the second option is sign in using QR code on your PC. And select sign in using QR code on your PC. Okay, link your mobile device to your Microsoft account. Continue. Now it's asking to enter the code shown on my PC. It's showing TNZ4, 7 and 9. Continue. Please note that this code will expire in 3 minutes. Now here it's asking me to sign in with my email as well. So you could choose to sign in with your email first, or if not, this will ask you to sign in with your email later on. If you don't have a Microsoft email, just go ahead and create the free one. Okay, connecting to your account, checking your mobile device. Perfect. We are preparing and you are all set. Perfect. My Android mobile phone and my laptop gets linked to the phone link app. Now here we need to allow some permissions on our mobile phone that will make our device accessible and do any work directly on the laptop. If I click on here, it's asking me open settings on the mobile phone. And if I select open setting on the mobile phone, here I'm getting a notification that we need your permission to sync your notification from your device to your PC. Let's open this. Open link to Windows app, and here allow notification access. On laptop, now I can see you are all set with every permission. Okay, let's go to unlock all features and get started. 3 or 4 are unlocked, set up more feature. Get started. Begin pairing. Setup. Now just go ahead and turn on Bluetooth both on mobile phone as well as on the laptop. Then we need your permission to access your mobile device. Try again. Now I am ready to pair device with the Bluetooth. Yes, pair. Now my device is also paired with the Bluetooth, and here I got my phone as well. I could go ahead and dial any call. Perfect. Now here in the photos section, you see I can go ahead and explore and view all of my photos here. And here are the messages. That's how easy it is to connect your Android phone to Windows 11 using the Phone Link app. If you are curious about iPhone support, I already made a separate video on that. Check it out after this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.